Good day everyone, this is Grace L. Reyes from Best Ed Mathematics 1A. Today, we will discuss if what is polynomial and how we will define if it is polynomial or not. So, let's start our discussion. What is polynomial? A polynomial is a kind of algebraic expression where each term is a constant, a variable, or a product of a constant and a variable in which the variable has a whole number exponent. So, there is type of polynomial. First is monomial, means one term. Binomial for two terms. Trinomial is three terms. And an expression is polynomial if the variable has no negative exponent. The variable has no fraction exponent. The variable has not inside the radical sign. The variable has not in the denominator. So, start with the variable has no negative exponent. I will give you some example. The variable has no negative exponent. So meaning, if your exponent is negative, so meaning it is not polynomial. For example, the polynomial is 2x squared. And not polynomial is 2x negative 2. So, the exponent of not polynomial is negative 2. So, take note, you will be careful to look the exponent. If it is negative exponent, so it is not polynomial. The next, the variable has no fraction exponent. So, for example, there is polynomial. So, 2x squared plus 3y. So, the exponent of 2x squared is not fraction or not negative. So, the 3y, so equivalent of 1, the exponent of y is 1. So, not fraction. So, in the not polynomial, so 2x squared plus 3y to the power of 1/2. So, 1/2 is a fraction. So that the polynomial is the exponent in the exponent is not polynomial. So, we will also look always the exponent if we will define if it is not polynomial or polynomial. So next, the variable has not inside the radical sign. So in the polynomial example, 2x squared plus 3y minus 2z. In that polynomial, 2x squared plus 3y minus square root of 2z. So there is variable inside the radical sign. So meaning it is not polynomial. Next, the variable has not in the denominator. So in example of polynomial, 2x squared plus 3y minus 2z plus 1. In not polynomial, 2x squared plus 3y all over negative 2z plus 1. So, there is variable in the denominator. So, meaning, it is not polynomial. It is okay if negative 2 plus 1 only, but there is z in the denominator. So now, exercises I will give it to you. So we will define if it is not polynomial or not. Let's identify if it is polynomial or not. So number 1, negative 7 to the power of 12 minus x to the power of 9 plus x to the power of negative 5. Number 2, x to the power of 5 minus 4x to the power of 9 plus 1 over 25y. So 54x to the power 52x squared minus 4x plus 4x to the power of 1/4 plus 25y. Number 4, 100x to the power of 15 minus square root of z. So let's have an answer if it is polynomial or not. So let's see. Number 1, negative 7x to the power of 12 negative x to the power of 9 plus x to the power of negative 5. Why not polynomial? Because there is exponent, negative exponent, the negative 5. So that not polynomial. Number 2, x to the power of 5 minus 4x 9 plus 1 over 25y. Polynomial. Why? Because there is no exponent, negative exponent, no fraction exponent, no variable inside the radical sign. Number 4, no variable in denominator. So it is polynomial. Number 3. Number 3. 5x squared minus 4x to the power of 1/4 plus 25y. Not polynomial. Why? Because 1/4 is the exponent. So, in our second one is no exponent, no fraction exponent. Okay? So, number 4, 100x to the power of 15 negative to the square root of z. Not polynomial because there is variable inside the radical sign.